Namaste everyone. Welcome to SSC Media. Science Sports Cinema. This is Bharat Krishna welcomes you to the world of IPL records. Today we are going to discuss about Orange Cap winners across all IPL seasons. The first ever IPL started with a bang. Brandon McCullum's 158 gave the glimpse of future. But he is not the one who won the Orange Cap in 2008. Sean Marsh, the Australian, with the superb consistency and amazing effort, he scored 616 runs to gain the Orange Cap in 2008 IPL season. The second IPL season shifted its base to South Africa owing to general elections in 2009. Sort of unseason and different pitches, it gave us the most entertaining IPL of all the seasons. Playing for the CSK, Matthew Hayden scored 572 runs to gain the most coveted orange cap of the season. Back in India, 2010 again, and CSK won the IPL for the first time. But it is cricket god Sachin Tendulkar who remained at the top by scoring 618 runs after leading Mumbai Indians to its first final. MS Dhoni, the darling of the nation, after winning the ICICI Cricket World Cup for India, led CSK to second title on a trot. But Chris Gayle, who started the season late for RCB, took everyone by a storm and scored 608 runs at an amazing strike rate. This is just the beginning of Chris Gayle's storm. Gayle's storm continued by its KKR won the IPL after underachieving for the past 4 seasons. While Gautam Gambhir led Kolkata team to its title, it is Chris Gayle who topped the batting charts once again. "2013 saw Rohit Sharma's rise as Mumbai's captain mid-season. The then perennial underachievers turned the tide to win their maiden IPL to give Sachin grand farewell. But Mike Hussey for CSK won the orange cap. Gautam Gambhir led KKR to its second as of at last IPL, and their batting mainstay Robin Uthappa scored 660 runs to top batting charts. Now it's the turn of fan favorite David Warner, the state of his cult at Hyderabad. He topped the charts for the first time, while Mumbai charted an epic comeback from behind championship, winning after losing 6 straight matches. Not just satisfied with topping the batting charts. Last year, David Warner spoiled Virat Kohli's epic year by defeating RCB, the high-scoring finals in 2016. While Kohli won the Orange Cup with ultimate show of batsmanship, 973 runs and 4 centuries. That's the IPL Orange Cap record. Warner stood second with more than 800 runs. Warner once again topped the charts with 641 runs, with Rohit Sharma emerged as the all-time best captain in IPL season with the third title. He also won the IPL for the fourth time as a player. If it is not Warner, it's going to be Kane Williamson. Leading Sunrisers in the absence of David Warner, he topped batting charts with 735 runs and led SRH into finals. CSK won their third title. Warner is back, but could not stop Mumbai from winning the IPL for the fourth time. Rohit Sharma proved his mastery over CSK and Dhoni as a tactician by defeating the Yellows 4 times, including the finals. Warner scored 692 to win Orange Cap for the record third time.
So till now we have seen the past winners of Orange Cap in IPL. Now coming to this year. As of now, KL Rahul, who has scored 670 runs with an amazing strike rate of below 130 to push his team out of the contention for the playoffs, is on the top of the list. But David Warner, who is consistently the most consistent batsman, has scored 546 runs, closely followed by our own Shikhar Dhawan from Delhi Capitals. But the others in the list have to score more than 200 runs. Both the batsmen from Mumbai Indians, Quinton de Kock and Ishan Kishan, both of them have scored about 483 runs. So they have to score nearly 200 runs in one match. So considering either Delhi Capitals or Sunrisers Hyderabad have a chance of playing 2 matches from today and tomorrow by the time of the end of the championship, we can have either Shikhar Dhawan or David Warner have a chance of realistic chance or a theoretical chance of overcoming KL Rahul and winning the Orange Cap. But to score more than 125 runs in 2 matches is nigh impossible in the current situations with the pitches have been throwing on. But we cannot rule out David Warner to score 140 even in a single match if we want to, if the final has been a big high score affair. So, except for miracles or anything like debacles batting from Mumbai Indians, we can safely say that KL Rahul is the Orange Cap winner and he is the first batsman from India to win the Orange Cap after Virat Kohli, as both of them didn't win the title.
Like this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.